Good morning, guys. Little pregame here for me before I trade. I want to get a little video out, my plan and strategy for today, with GameStop mostly. What happened yesterday was unprecedented, and as far as I've seen in my thousands of hours in the market, this was a complete market manipulation. And if it happens again, it's a great opportunity, honestly, for us. So what they're doing here is they're trying to, I think, cover some shorts. They're dropping the stock price down, trying to cover some shorts, as well as trying to add a bunch of fear into the market, a bunch of fear to retail traders, all of us. They're trying to say this thing's plummeting, get out. Another thing they're doing with this short ladder attack, they're triggering limit orders. When you have a limit order, the market maker sees it, the market maker knows it, no matter where it is. Limit order is kind of not actually technically a limit order, a stop loss order. Basically an order, if you own shares at $400 and then you say stop loss, close out my position if it hits 250 or 112 or 115. If you have that, I think it's technically a stop loss. If you have some sort of order that the market maker sees, whatever it is, anything you send out to the market maker, they see that. It allows for more manipulation in the stock price. They see limit orders, they will go down, and what happened here was dropping. Look at this. 329, 289, halted. There was nothing you could do. Hedge funds, they're able to trade in this range. And that's why they're doing this as a short ladder attack. They're buying and selling it back to each other and shorting it and going back and forth to just falsely simulate and bring the price down. This is fake. But it's also triggering all your limit orders, all your stop loss orders, profit take loss orders, whatever you want to call them. It's triggering all those. So if you were involved in this yesterday, you had your shares, you're like, there's no way it's going to hit 115. I'll have a stop loss order down there. It goes down here and it triggers it. You got out of your whole position. And then an hour later, it's up here. You're like, what in the world? I had all this money here. It came down here, sold my shares, and now it's here. So what? You lost some money from there to there, and then you're not able to get back into here. And even if you were looking at it, you probably wouldn't be able to get back into it here if you were on Robinhood, because Robinhood's been limiting buying. You're not able to buy these shares when you want to on Robinhood. I'm not going to use Robinhood to buy shares, because Robinhood has said in their own messages to us, they said, we are going to tell you when we allow you to buy. No, I'm not going to tell you. They're just going to allow you to buy it when they want you to. They said it right here. This is what they're saying. Limited whole shares buys. That's what that means. So I've gotten an E-Trade account. I've got a Webull account. I've got a TD Ameritrade account. So far, out of my 4 brokerages, 3 of them limited me so I couldn't buy yesterday into GameStop on this dip. Only one, which was E-Trade, didn't shut down on me. Webull was good pretty much the whole time, and then briefly it shut down here, where the screen just went gray. And I don't know if that's technically the brokerages, if it's a clearinghouse, is it DTTCC? I don't know. I'm not, that's not my field. This, I'm just a normal retail trader like you guys. So I don't know exactly what happened. I'm not necessarily blaming on brokerages. I know Robinhood's been skimming for years on their traders, so I treat Robinhood like a long-term account. I don't mess with it. I don't trade options on it. I just leave it alone. I know I'm paying a little skim here and there. I like the user friendliness, I like how clean it is. And I like to keep things separate. This one I try not to touch. Long term. This is how you grow. You don't grow with quick little plays. Quick little plays might be good, and you can make quick little shoots of money, but then can you keep it? Can you not give the money back? That's why you need a long term. That's a whole nother video. Anyways, I'm not gonna have stop loss orders. If you don't want to get the market maker seeing where your stop loss orders and triggering the stop loss to sell your shares, then don't put them in. What you can do is you can actually put a stop loss order at the top. So look, GameStop, limit. So just a limit order. So what I mean is stop loss, stop limit. There's all sorts of different ones. Basically, where it triggers it. I'm gonna put a limit order though. Not even a stop loss, not take profit. A limit order. When this share price gets to 1 million, and you can do this, and this is actually This is actually good because it actually kind of throws the algorithms off. There we go. So extended hours, yes. Time in force, day, good till canceled. This has got to go to 2.5 minutes. I'd put the maximum amount, but I've already tried this and it wouldn't let me. Let's see, limit amount, position shares. Large gap, continue. See there, yeah, it's too much. So, okay. 2 million. How about that? 2 million. $2 million a share price. Or was it below 3? 1 million? There we go. So I'm gonna do this. Limit order. 100,000. No, I don't want that. I want 1 million. Anyways, put it as high as you can do it. I don't have to go through this. Put it as high as you can do it. Place the limit order. Don't touch it. And then when you do actually go to close them at any point, you cancel that and just close it normally. That's just a trick that you could do that I'm gonna do. It's not my advice to you. It's not a recommendation. Again, this is for entertainment and educational purposes. Yeah, GameStop is doing well. If we have another short ladder attack today, my plan is to make sure my brokerage is not keeping me from buying shares, i.e. Robinhood, maybe Webull. If I notice that happening on any of them, I'm going to go to E-Trade. And then I'm going to try and buy in at this dip. Because this dip is them doubling down, and it's letting them give us a great opportunity to buy. Got a lot more to share. That's all I'm going to do for today. No, not for today. For the next couple hours. I'm sure in a couple hours I'm going to come back with something crazy. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down. Make your money, happy money, so it'll stick around. Like I said, happy money, so it'll stick around. Happy money wants to feel safe. Make your money safe. Not flexing on you. This is, I know you guys have bigger accounts. Just safe money. Safe money. Okay. See ya in a bit.